Today I want to show you how to fold one of these plastic rain ponchos. So this is like a one-time use one, but it will work for all of them. I'm going to place it down here with the front side facing up. You can do this on your lap too if you're out and about. I'm going to close up the buttons because I'm not going to use this for a while. But if you need to have this kind of ready to just whip out and put on, you don't need to button it here. That way it will be easier to pull out. So anyway, just fold the arms in here like this on both sides. The one side can overlap the other and it's totally fine. From here we're going to split the raincoat into 3 parts down the length of it. I want you to think like you want to line it up at the edge of the hood here. So just fold it in on one side. Now you see it kind of lines up just at the edge of the hood on one side and about the same on the other side. You don't need to be very precise with this, but it does make it easier as we move along here. So repeat the process on the other side, just completely overlap it. It's totally fine. If it doesn't completely overlap, that's okay too. It will be a little bit more wrinkly though. So from the bottom here, you can start rolling it if you want to, or you can simply fold it in half once, like that. And then fold it in half one more time. Make sure you press out the air so it doesn't get all bulky and big. And then from here, what we're going to do is that we're just going to roll it up the last few folds here. Now you can see you have the hood here. What I like to do now is that I stuff the entire roll inside each side of the hood. This will kind of secure it in place. And from here you can just gently, at least for this one pretty cheap ponchos, just roll it all the way over like that. And there you have it, really nicely and secured in place for when you need it. So once it starts raining, it's super easy to just unwrap it really quick and you can just, and it's ready for use. I made a huge organizing video that you can check out next, like teaches you how to organize your entire wardrobe in the span of like half an hour. Check that out and yeah, I'll see you over there.